Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Caddirect tutorial how to draw polygon. To draw polygon, you can type polygon, press enter, and in here we can set for number of side into 5, press enter again. Now you can need to set for the center of polygon. I will click in here, center polygon, and there are two options. You can draw by inscript in circle, or the second, use circumscribe about circle. So I will use the first option, then click. You can see it will be automatically create from the center point into the vertex. You can click to apply like this. So we try again another option. You can type a polygon, press enter. Now you need to set for number of sides. We set into 5. Center polygon, I will click in here, and then I will use the second option. It will be create from the center point into center of line or midpoint. Can set for length like 2, press enter again. And the third, we can create polygon by specifying edge. You can tap polygon, press enter, number side 5, and then in here you can tap A to use edge option, press enter. So you can draw like from this point into here to be create the polygon by specifying of edge. I will set into 5 for edge, press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic Caddirect tutorial how to draw polygon. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.